hard?
Dude, I floated over that ledge. I did not think I was gonna do that.
That was you made that look really easy, actually.
Dude, it's bigger than it looks down there, but it's not that bad. I always see videos of people like getting up there and like barely making it.
This whole section used to not be here. This shit was all like this.